Let's see if it turns itself off now. A lot of times it'll go tick, 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 tick to turn off. So that's 2 lights, 2 reds and a green.
Does that mean it went out?
Yeah, that means the flame's out.
But does that mean it's failed?
No, it hasn't failed. But lately it cycles back on quickly, so let's see if it does that.
So all reds means it's out?
No, it's when it has... Oh, okay, so now it's starting its cycle again.
Okay. So this is blower.
Yep.
Getting gas fumes out.
Yep. Third light just went on, 3rd red. Pretty soon we'll hear click, click, click for the igniter. Put this on YouTube. This would go viral. Alright, igniter. Igniter. It's sucking. It's gonna fail.
It's gonna get out there.
Yep.
So this time it failed. If it fails, it's after it hit the ignite. Before it seemed like it was before the ignition. So it fails.
Fails.
Right,
When it
yeah.
fails, it tries a second time. If it fails twice in a row, it'll lock out. So now it's green and 3 reds. Come on, igniter. Igniter.
Now, achieved it.
Let's see if it don't see how long it stays on. And if sometimes I think it's the pressure switch goes click, 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 and that's when it stops. Or maybe it won't do it.
So there might be 2 things going.
All right, so now there's a green and 4 lights. The 4th light's the flame, so we have a good flame.
But that could mean there's a failure happening in 2 spots. One is cycling through all the safeties before it ignites. And one is tripping itself off because the pressure valve does something wrong.
Yeah.
That could be 2 separate issues.
Yeah, it may shut off. It may be too sensitive and shut.
So now does it just think it's done?